Well, hello to you. Today we're going to be reviewing a handheld blender or emulsion blender by BSTY. Coming up right now. Alright, so we have here the 5-in-1 hand blender from BSTY. Check it out. That's the box. So you got the 5-in-1 and then you have the 2-in-1. The 5-in-1 comes with some great stuff here. Let me show you. You got your chopper. Comes out, cleans real easily. You got the chopper. So this is the motor. Oh, check this out. There are 15 speeds on this here motor. 15. Yep, you can see it right there. 15 speeds. All you do is just dial it to where you want it. Then you put it on whatever you're using. Right now we're showing this right here. And you get the chopping. You got the 2 release buttons on the side here. And they just come right out. Boom. So with the 5-in-1, you get this beauty. You also get your blending stick, which fits on the same way. Nice blades. Very nice blades. And your potato masher. This right here is pretty awesome. It's actually pretty easy to clean as well. You just unlock it and it comes right off. I'm gonna keep that on there though. But it fits right in there. After you boil your potatoes, you just throw this sucker in there and you start blending. Good to go. You also get a whisk and a whisk holder. The whisk goes into the holder like that. Boom. You put it onto your motor and you start whisking. I didn't say whiskey, I said whisking. Then you got your cup. This here is perfect for, you can actually mix inside of this with your blending stick. And then it has a nice little spout to where you can pour it out. In the 2-in-1 handheld mixer, you get the motor, whisk holder, and whisk. I will be utilizing all of this in a video. We're gonna actually make some homemade ranch dressing. This is what we make probably every other day because we use it just about every day. It's healthy, it's easy to make, and it tastes really good. Really good. So if you want to pick up a 5-in-1 or even a 2-in-1, there's going to be a link in the description. And guess what? Just for being a viewer of the Rod Elmer Show, they're going to give you an awesome discount. So make sure you check the description for the link to this product. Yep. So you can get your very own, and you can make your salad dressing, mashed potatoes, or whatever you want to make. But make sure you stay tuned or watch the next video so you learn how to make ranch dressing with these simple items. Once again, I'll leave a link in the description so you can pick up your very own. And if you have not subscribed yet to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Also hit the bell and make sure you hit all so you can get all the notifications. Hit that like button and even leave a comment. Let me know what you like best about this video. Alright, we'll see you, my friend, in the next video.